Hello, today we're gonna be doing a blind bag. It's an inside out 2 blind bag, and let's see what we've got. We've got this dust. Okay, let's open it. No. Okay, let's see this smallest. So we got 3 things. 2 things more because this is telling me what I've got. You got. Let's open it and see what we've got. What character we've got. OMG, I've got legendary. Yes. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, let's see the body. Okay, this is the body. Slay. Okay. We need her drifts. So let's see what's here. It says open. OMG, so here's hair, face, accessory, dress, and pants. Okay, let's see the hair. Okay, let's put her hair. OMG, she slays. She literally slays. Now we're going to put on the face. Wait, I think we're supposed to first put on the face, not the hair. Okay, it's her face. Slay. Now we're gonna put her hair. Cute. Let's see what we got for accessory. Oh, we got a little necklace. Let's put it. I put it. Let's see the dress. Oh, the pants. No, the dress. This is the dress. Okay, I'm gonna put it right. What happened? I put the dress. Now we're going to put the pants. Look This is how she looks. Slay Queen. Disgust. And where can I put it? Okay, in the video. Hope you enjoyed this blind bag. Bye bye. See you next time.